Hey, we back, y'all. We had to take a little break, but listen. The spaghetti sauce is done. Look how nice and thick it is. See how nice and thick it is?
They've been cooking for a minute.
Yeah, we been cooking. We do real cooking. We making spaghetti meat sauce, like I said. Now it's done. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fix. We're gonna go ahead. You wanna show them the garlic bread?
We got garlic bread.
Yeah.
But I don't eat this, but I eat mine plain. I would eat it plain. It
Take
look
a
like
bite.
cornbread.
Take a bite. Stick.
You see why I can't be bothering him, y'all?
Can I take a bite in tea?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you can go ahead and take a bite.
Gotta thank the Lord for your food.
That's right, all the time. Always thank the good Lord.
It's not bad.
There you go.
I don't like it, but it's not bad.
Let me show them how nice that is. Show them how nice it looks. I'm gonna take pictures, so don't eat yet.
Oh, look at smoke.
Steve.
Yeah, steam.
Somebody sit there in my class.
Smoke?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here you go.
That's that smoke.
You want the Parmesan cheese?
That's special.
Okay, let me show you how nice it looks. You see? That's spaghetti meat sauce for you. You see that? Look how full the meat is in the small sausage. That's how we do it. So I'm so glad y'all, shared this day with us. We got it all done.
That Parmesan cheese.
It took us a minute, but we got it done.
Mhm.
So I just want to say thank you so much. I want y'all to have a nice day. Till next time, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel.
I wish y'all could have it.
All right? All right. Y'all have a nice day.
Look at that.
It's hot.
It's smoking. The sausage is smoking. He put Parmesan cheese on his, but they already had Parmesan cheese in it already.
It's good.
That don't make no sense.
You know what? I'm not fooling with him, but it tastes good though. That's the thing that matters the most.
I don't know what you're supposed to do
He
with
always
this.
talking shit, but his ass like it though. That's for sure. No, how you love that?
But then you supposed to put the spaghetti on the garlic bread.
You can do whatever you want to do with it. It's your spaghetti, it's your sauce, and it's your bread. You want some more bread?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I don't want no more bread.
You want some more, Steve? Yeah. I put it in here so I wouldn't have to be worried about cutting it up. Get some more, man. Get what you want.
You made a whole thing of bread.
Yeah. You want some more? It's for you. You can eat whatever you want. There you go.
We didn't take the picture.
That's okay. I'm gonna fix me a plate. I'm gonna fix me a plate until y'all eat and take a picture, okay? So y'all finished tasting?
Y'all can stop.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and sub.
Mm-hmm.
And thank y'all for watching. New film.